Is your 2002-2006 GMC Yukon's rear AC or heat not blowing? The most common culprit is a faulty rear blower motor resistor module. This component controls the fan speed by regulating electrical resistance to the blower motor. When it fails, you might experience the fan only blowing on high or not at all. The resistor, also known as the blower motor resistor assembly, is typically located behind the rear HVC controls, often under the second row seat or in the cargo area. Here's a view under the dashboard showing the blower motor and the resistor module. Before diving in, make sure to check the HVAC fuse in the underhood box to rule out a simple blown fuse. This issue is very common in the listed Yukon models and can be easily fixed with the right tools and knowledge. First, disconnect the battery to ensure safety and prevent electrical shorts. Next, remove the rear seat or trim panels to access the blower resistor. This typically requires lifting the seat and removing any securing bolts. Unplug the old blower resistor and install the new one. Replacement parts like AC Delco 890187778 are available online for $20 to $50. Ensure it matches your Yukon's year and model. Apply dielectric grease to the connections to prevent future corrosion, especially in humid environments. After replacement, test all fan speeds to confirm the fix. Many online tutorials, such as those on YouTube channels like 1A Auto, provide visual guides to assist with the process.